In this video, we're going to cover the question, when should I hire an immigration attorney? And so what happens a lot of times is that people are making decisions and then they're taking action in accordance with those decisions, such as, for example, to get married, and then they go ahead and get married. And then once they do that, then after that they decide, well, maybe now I need an immigration attorney, or maybe now I need to file. And here's what I would tell you generally. The moment you have decided to do something, it's better to check with the attorney at that time and before you have taken any actions in accordance with it than after. Because what happens is, the moment you start taking actions, especially with certain government bodies like the county or at the federal level, or you're going in and out of the country, so when you're making these moves, they might not necessarily be good for your case. And so what you want is, you want to get an attorney beforehand, not after the fact, because after the fact, the attorney might tell you, well, there's nothing I can do now, good luck. But if it was before you actually took the action that you shouldn't have taken, well, at the very least, the attorney could have advised you, well, really, I wouldn't do that because of XYZ, because, this or that, or, it could be an intent to defraud. I mean, there's a lot of categories. And so the reason you really want an attorney ahead of time, because some of these actions are also irreversible. In fact, the majority of them are irreversible, and some of them can have drastic consequences on your immigration status. And so the moment you're thinking about taking the action, that's when you want the consultation, that's when you want the advice, that's when you want to get someone that has been there and has done that before. So that way you have some peace of mind in the process, and you increase the chances of success tremendously. Otherwise, if you bring the attorney after the fact, it might be too late, or they might have to. I mean, now they're kind of rowing up against the stream instead of to go with it. So for that matter, you should hire an attorney before you actually take steps towards your immigration status or other things that you're doing. Like getting married and things like that, or moving in another country, which could impact your immigration status. I'm Attorney Pandeli, and thank you for watching. We appreciate you watching and for giving us your attention. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below in the comment section. We appreciate it. If you find it valuable and useful, give us a thumbs up so we know we're doing a good job. And lastly, if you need help on your immigration case, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We'd be happy to help. Thank you.